What if I told you that ignoring this check engine light could be costing you hundreds in wasted fuel or even worse, killing your engine? The P0175 code isn't just another random error. It's a red flag that your car is drowning in gas, and if you don't fix it fast, you could be facing a hefty repair bill. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. Today, we're tackling a common engine issue, the P0175 trouble code. If you've got a check engine light and this code, don't worry, we'll break down the causes and show you how to fix it step by step. Let's dive in. What does P0175 code mean? This code indicates that your engine's bank 2, the side of the engine without cylinder 1, is running to ridge. Common symptoms of P0175 code: check engine light, reduced engine power, decreased fuel economy, engine misfires, hesitation or stumbling on acceleration. Common causes of P0175 code: vacuum leaks most common, faulty MAF or oxygen sensor, fuel delivery issues, exhaust leak before O2 sensor, PCV valve failure. Here are two simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Method A: The MAF Sensor. The mass airflow sensor is located between the air filter and the throttle body. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your car and inspect it. The wire inside often gets dirty and needs cleaning. Spray MAF sensor cleaner directly onto the wire perpendicular to the ground to avoid damage. Let it dry completely before reinstalling the sensor. Method B: The oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor is located in the exhaust manifold or near the catalytic converter. Remove the old oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter. Install a new oxygen sensor, preferably from the original equipment manufacturer. Securely reattach it to the catalytic converter. After fixing the issue, clear the code with your scanner and take the car for a test drive. If the code doesn't return, you fixed it. If it comes back, double-check for other leaks or sensor issues, and that's how you diagnose and fix a P0175 code. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.